Hello guys, and welcome back to our series of homogeneous equations with constant coefficients. And now we'll be doing solved examples. So example 1 will be so we go through the same steps. Our auxiliary equation will be auxiliary equation, that means replacing y dash with m and replacing y with 1. So will be m square minus 2m minus 8 is equal to 0. M square plus 2m minus 4m minus 8 equal to 0. That means the roots are m minus 2 and positive 4. I think this lies under case 1, and our general solution will be y is equal to c1 e to the power minus 2x plus c2 e to the power 4x. Again, moving on to the next example. It says solve dash plus 3y minus 10y is equal to 0. Again, to this question we have initial conditions where we'll have to solve for c1 and c2. The solution. The first step, as always, finding the auxiliary equation, which will be m square plus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. That means it's m square plus 5m minus 2m minus 10 equal to 0. So the roots are m minus 5 and 2. Also this falls to case 1, that is the roots are real and extant. So y is equal to e1 minus 5x plus c2 e power 2x. Label this equation as star, and this will be the general solution. So since we have the initial conditions, we use the initial condition to find the particulate solution. So what we do, the first initial condition says that, meaning that when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So from the equation, 1 is equal to c1 e power 0 plus c2 e power 0. That is c1 plus c2 is equal to 1. This is equation 1. And then for the second condition, we have to differentiate the general solution with respect to x. So differentiate star equation with respect to x. So y dash is equal to minus 5 c1 e minus 5x plus 2 c2 e power 2x. Then applying the second condition, that was meaning that when x is equal to 0, the derivative will be 3. So putting the value on the equation, 3 is equal to minus 5 c1 e power 0 plus 2 c2 e power 0. So the equation is be minus 5 c1 plus 2 c2 is equal to 3. This is equation 2. So solving equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. So equation 1 is c1 plus c2 is equal to 1, and minus 5 c1 plus 2 c2 is equal to 3.